I don't remember that.
You don't remember that?
It's been a while. I'll put it that
way. Your daddy didn't adjust you like that?
He did. I mean, it was a lot of clicking around, but I don't remember that.
Actually, this kind of tight right here. You feel that tension right
here?
Yeah,
definitely.
Okay, let's go here. Does feel tight. Right now I'm on C4, C5 area. Definitely tight in there. But you okay?
Yeah.
Did I get your jaw a little bit there or something?
I'm just
kind of evaluating.
Kind of evaluating.
Gotcha. Okay.
Coming to terms with it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to give a little bit of a push into these joints, so nice and relaxed. A little bit of a turn here, and just a tiny bit of a push. Okay, perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and again, nice and relaxed for me. Completely relaxed into my hands. And just a little bit of pressure just here. Okay,
yeah.
Perfect. And nice and relaxed. Push into the joints here just to loosen up the mid-back. Okay, lovely.
All right, so we have low here, high here. Here's the ischium bone, here. Here's the ischium bone, here. That's an inch. High ischium, low ischium. Sacrum, here, sacrum, here. More importantly, I've just converted a nurse to believe in chiropractic. If every chiropractor did that once a day, we could all form a coalition and take over the world. The healthcare world, all right. Let's get the navicular bone. All right, now let's prop down the calcaneus. Evert the foot, tap it in. Evert the foot. Now, my glove, wow. Okay, straighten the bottom leg, drop this off. That's a girl. All right, I got you. Okay, let's do the other side. Just let it drop off. I use my elbow to adjust. Nice like that, on your back. Cervical. Turn your head right. Smile. Come on. Smile. Come on. No. Thank you. Wow, nice, huh?
This way, and I'm feeling this upper cervical right here. Okay, relax right here for me. Very good, okay? Excellent. That's about a C2 adjustment. Those are pretty restricted segments here for him. Relax here. Very good. Ooh. Excellent movement. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. That move?
Yeah. That moved.
Relax right in here. Relax right in here. Good. Good. Relax right in here. Very good. Good.
Goodness gracious.
Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Chiropractic positioning, and of course he's probably been adjusted several times in his life. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Type of person that comes into the clinic. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. That was a good one. All right. Excellent.
You're trying to make me crazy. So let's fix what we find and see what happens. So we'll go to the right navicular, pop it in place. Okay? So we do our beloved pubic. Can I touch you right here? Okay, fine. We're on national TV, so okay. Relax. Come on now. All right, now pubic bone. There she blows. Okay, now it clunked right in. Okay, now we have 80 degrees.
And always check her ribs. In fact, she has a big game today, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Ready? Nice. Same thing other side. You ready? And one last thing, the mid-back area. Sorry, messed with your hair there.
It's okay.
Deep breath for me. All the way. One more, relax. There. Got it.
There we got it. Perfect. Good. Breathe in again. And out. Arms like this. Hips up slightly. Take a big breath. And down.
Excellent. Other side. Good. And again, deep breath. And down. Good. Straight on your back. Just contacting with the outside of the index finger. Good. Nice and round. And excellent. Get a little pull to get that one on the right side that was a little cranky.